Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh.
Wow.
Guys,
Guys,
we
we
are
are back again
back.
with another video, and this
Let's
time it
go,
is one of the
guys.
songs from Eurovision
Eurovision
2025,
25.
and it is Esa Diva Melody
Melody.
2025 from and
We
it is symphonic version from Eurovision 2025 album. So
let's
let's get going with the
go.
video without any further ado.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice start.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh. Oh
It's a
wow.
symphonic
Yeah,
version.
it's really nice. It has a very nice tone
Yeah.
because of the soft
Softness
kind of
and calming
music.
kind of
Yeah.
music.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's making me.
Oh.
Ooh.
Wow. It's
She
like a
looks so
whole.
damn good.
Of course, she is a diva, and also she is singing Ace Diva, so
That's
she
why.
needs to be a diva. And anyhow, the whole thing looks like a very, very much practiced orchestra kind
Yeah.
of thing, which where everyone has to be so much orchestrated that they don't miss even a bit. Like it's that
Love
much
this.
precision needed. Like
Yeah.
I love it. Oh.
Wow.
Did you notice one thing? We have heard the Esidiva,
Yeah.
like the main versions, and
Yeah.
then a lot of like stage versions as well.
Yeah.
But in this symphonic version, her vocal tone is quite low, rather being high
Hi,
in
yeah.
the main versions.
I know.
Like in the main version, she's singing on the top of her voice, and now
Yeah.
she's controlling that, but touching that note, but with a very controlled manner, controlled
Yeah.
thin vocal. You know
Yeah.
what I mean to say?
I know.
Uh, oh
Wow. So
wow.
soft and
Yeah, yeah. It's
love
she's
it.
trying to keep everything very soft
Yeah.
and symphonic as it is a symphonic
Yeah.
version.
Wow.
Wow, really wow. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, I am noticing. Yeah,
It's
I am
not that.
noticing
Yeah, it's
that.
not that intense kind of. It's more
Yeah,
like calming and
yeah, yeah,
also
yeah, yeah, yeah. She's trying to go slow,
slow.
very
Yeah.
with controlled
Control
vocal,
vocal.
and she's touching those notes, but with
Yeah.
very controlled manner, which I have not seen in the main version, because the main version supposed to be like very aggressive kind of,
Yeah.
like it's not aggressive,
Not
I'd
aggressive.
rather
It's
say, but
intense.
intense. Yes, right.
Yeah.
Rather, the
So
best word would be intense.
intense.
Like the song was intense. You hear it not in a calm like calm manner, but in a very intense
Intense
manner,
manner.
because you
Yeah.
like it that way. And now that you are hearing the like calmer tone vocal,
Yeah.
it's
It's
you
toned
you
down
can
little
you
bit.
can you can actually see the differences
Yeah.
that I'm talking about. And if you want to check out the main version, you can just go and check that out
Check that
by
out, man.
searching Esa Diva by Melody, or you can go in our channel and search that too. We have reactions of them as well.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh.
In this like current vocal,
Yeah.
does just the way she said una diva, that
Yeah.
higher pitch, that was maintained throughout the main version. That kind
That's
of that thing was maintained throughout the whole
which is
like
pretty
main
good.
version. Now in this symphonic version, that vocal is toned down a lot. Like it's same chords, same notes,
Yeah.
but touching in a very low pitch kind of.
Yeah.
It is toned down because this is a symphonic version, and the symphony is supposed to be like going up rather than the
Yeah. Good
vocals.
vocals. Love it. Wow. Ooh. This
Oh,
is so
oh,
good.
the chorus, the chorus, the chorus, the chorus, the chorus.
Es la madre que
Ah,
Oh,
es la artista sin cartel,
ah,
con dinero sin fortuna.
oh my God.
ah.
Ellas son vivas también.
She is
Oh,
good.
yeah, really.
La fama, tu grandeza, la igualdad es mi bandera.
Oh,
Mi única ilusión.
oh,
Ella como siempre mortal, una
It's
diva.
more like a movie song. It's
Yeah.
more like a movie, some kind of.
you would notice kind of the effort
Yeah.
she's putting into, because how like how much she has to tone down.
Yeah.
It is a very tough job, because the song mainly revolves around high notes, high tones.
Yeah.
Everything is high, 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 and in the symphonic version you have to tone it down a bit. You have to make sure that the music is heard. You have to make sure
Yeah.
that the chorus is heard, and everything is like comprised together, compiled together, so that people don't see like feel that only you are singing and nothing else is
Yeah.
happening. So that's why you can see the effort that she's putting. Maybe sometimes she is going high notes, touching high notes, but
Yeah.
then coming down immediately she is coming down to the, like in the next line she's coming down like she's coming to the like tone down
Yeah,
note.
tone down.
Yeah,
note,
and then when she is going up, maybe it is a habit of have muscle memory kind of, where you know that it is going to be high note, but then you
Yeah.
remember that this is a symphonic
Symphonic
version. You have to
version.
tone it down, and
That's
you tone
why.
it down. It is kind of
Also, the chorus and the whole package. I have to say about the chorus and all the violins. They are doing so good.
Yeah.
That's why they sound so good.
there are so many cellos as well.
Yeah.
Like this is the
like
big
the sound
things.
of
Yeah, yeah. So you can see those efforts that she's
It's more
putting
like
into
a brand
it's-
new version of the song.
Yeah, she's trying to maybe sometimes she is going up, but
Yeah.
she's trying to put it and blend it together so that it doesn't bother audience as
Yeah.
much, or it doesn't sound different. So I guess that can be it, but also you were saying it is a toned down version
Yeah.
of the main song. I like the main song much more, but this time we're not listening to the main song. We
Main
have to
song.
remember that.
Yeah.
Para brillar, su voz le alegra.
Yeah.
Si ella es libre cantando como un pez en el mar, una diva
Oh,
poderosa, su buena, su
so good.
Yeah.
espinas y rosas, de su que baila con unas
Ooh.
ya verán.
Ah, nice.
Wow.
She's feeling the calm music.
Yeah.
Oh wow,
Oh
what a
my
chorus. Nice. Chorus in sync is always a vibe.
Yeah.
Like chorus in sync is really like it feels different, because so many
Yeah.
people are singing together at the same time. It happens sometimes in concerts as well. Those also sounds really good.
Chorus makes the song sweet.
Yeah.
Somos divas tú y yo.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Si ella es libre cantando como un pez,
Yeah.
una diva es valiente.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Su vida, su
Oh, yeah.
espinas y rosas, de su que baila
Ooh.
Wow.
This is perfect.
Yeah.
esa diva soy yo.
Oh.
What
Wow.
a performance.
Wow.
She is good.
She's really good. You can see the very last version,
Yeah.
like the very last part of the song, and it's there. It's
It's there,
there.
man.
It is there, and we look good. No, you look. No, she looks good.
She looks good.
I'm very sorry. She looks good.
She was phenomenal.
I'm kind of
I love
speechless
it.
at this
I
point
love
because
this kind of
this song, the way it turned out, and
Yeah.
I never thought I would be hearing a symphonic version of this song, because this song is not that kind of song where you think it is going to be a symphonic version,
Yeah.
but it obviously do sound good because you have not expected that. So yeah, that's
Yes.
all for this song. And we obviously know that Melody is the best, and she is doing like very nice performances throughout the Eurovision. So that's all, right?
That's all.
That's all. Thank you so much, guys. If you're still watching, do like, do share, and also do subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos in the channel. And this is not rehearsed. I have been saying this for way too long, and now I memorized it like I am a parrot. So, bye bye.